Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find people you recently played with on your PlayStation 5. So if you were in like Call of Duty or something and you want to go ahead and message someone, press the PlayStation button and go on down to Game Base. Then under here we want to go to Search for Players. Then the first section is Play Together, 132 people. So I last played Call of Duty Domination with this person on 12/19 of 2023. And you can go ahead and scroll through here and you can go to View All. And then you can go on down under this list and you should be able to see everybody. So there's 132 people under here. And this is mostly from Call of Duty, it looks like. You can see the actual game type. It says Domination. And then it switches over to like Kill Confirmed. So you can just choose this person's profile. And then you should be able to like send them a message right here. A game invite. You can start a party chat with them, etc. Now another way that you can do this is press the PlayStation button, go to the game base, and then you can start up a party. So if I start up a party right now, I'm going to start up a closed party. You can actually invite them directly to this party. So the first option, invite to party, then scroll on over to play together, and you should be able to find people under here as well. So if I continue scrolling down, it should be everyone who was included in that last list as well. So you can just invite them now and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.